So, menu natin ngayon is baked feta pasta. So, ingredients, cherries, tomatoes. Smash natin yung garlic. And then, shallots. I-cut natin into 4. So, pagsamahin natin lahat. And then, lagyan natin ng olive oil, 1 tablespoon, salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. And then, 1 block feta cheese. Lagyan natin sa top. Tapos, lagyan natin ng olive virgin oil. And then, lagyan natin ng parsley, oregano, side by side. And then, i-bake natin ng 40 to 45 minutes.
It's morning!
Na mag-golden brown siya.
Wait, that was so good. Ah! Look at this! Oh, okay. Spread the oil on top. Ooh.
Okay, i-press mo lang yung feta cheese and also tomatoes para lumabas yung juice niya. And i-mix mo siya. I-mix mo yung feta cheese and tomatoes. Just like this. And then we need to put the so like this. And then we put the
Because you need that starch. The starch from
so like this. Ito na yung aking pasta. So, ilagay natin yung ating pasta dito. And mix lang natin. Abby! Cheese. Alright. I'm adding ingredients, mozzarella cheese to make it very cheesy.